What's up? My name is Eric and welcome to Chordsraoke, where you don't mind my voice because you mind the chords. And today I'm gonna be doing Here Again by Elevation Worship. If you want a tutorial version of this song, please check out the link below. Let's start.
Can't go back to the beginning. Can't control what tomorrow will bring. But I know here in the middle is the place where you promised to be. Not enough unless you come. Will you meet me here again? 'Cause all I want is all you are. Will you meet me here again? As I walk now through the valley, let your love rise above every fear. Like the sun shaping the shadow, in my weakness your glory appears. Not enough unless you come. Will you meet me here again? 'Cause all I want is all you are. Will you meet me here again? I'm not enough unless you come. Will you meet me here again? 'Cause all I want is all you are. Will you meet me here again? Come, Holy Spirit, dry bones awaken. The Lord is in this place. The Lord is in this place. Not for a minute was I forsaken. The Lord is in this place. The Lord is in this place. Come, Holy Spirit, dry bones awaken. The Lord is in this place. The Lord is in this place. I'm not enough unless you come. Will you meet me here again? 'Cause all I want is all you are. Will you meet me here again?
you want a tutorial version of this song, please check out the link below. And in case you want to see my future videos, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and give me a thumbs up. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye.